Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a vertical line shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert a vertical line shape in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu and choose line shape. Then draw this line shape vertically. Press shift on our keyboard. Then draw this. Now we can see here we insert this vertical line shape very easily. You can change the shape color, click the shape and go to the format menu. Then click shape outline and choose any color. Or use another style, click the style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.